Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change your RedNote account display name or account name. First of all, open the RedNote app and tap on me at the bottom right. Here we can see my current display name. Now tap on profile and it will jump into your RedNote profile editor. Here tap on your name. And now just tap on this new name box and go ahead and create a new display name for your RedNote and then tap on save. And remember one thing, that if you haven't added your phone number in your RedNote app or account, then you won't be able to change your display name. So first of all, you have to add and verify your phone number, then you'll be able to change your display name from here. Thanks.